Jai Gurudev to all of you. Today we discuss the new topic is a vector. We have a scalar. The quantity which has only the magnitude but not in the direction is called a scalar quantity, which has only the magnitude but not the direction. The meaning of magnitude is a length. Is called a scalar. Vector, the quantity which has magnitude as well as direction, is called the vector. For example, we have A and B are the 2 points. A is the initial point, B is the final point. Direction A to B represented by the vector A, and their magnitude is calculated as mod of AB is equals to mod of vector A is equals to small a, is called the vector. Now we discuss about the various format of the vectors. First is what? Unit vector. If a vector is a vector such that a cap is called their unit vector, when we have to modulus of the vector a is equals to 1. It means a cap is a unit vector to be calculated as vector a upon mod of a. We have to calculate it vector a upon mod of a. We can dividing by the length of the vector, okay, is called the unit vector, such that a cap mod is equals to 1. So the vector having their length is equals to 1 is called the unit vector. A cap mod equals to 1. Next is a like vector. Two or more vector are said to be a like vector when they have a same direction. Are called a like vector when they have a same direction. The magnitude, either the length, is not the same. It means AB is a vector, CD is a vector having a same direction. In that direction, either we can take the opposite direction B2 and D2C. Unlike vector, the vector, two or more vector are said to be an unlike vector when the direction is the opposite. AB vector is that direction and CD vector in the direction of DC. So we can write that AB vector and that is the vector is DC vector. Direction is opposite, so it means they have unlike vector. Parallel vector, either the equal vector. Two vector are said to be a equal vector when they have a same direction and they have a magnitude are also same. So the direction and the magnitude both are equal is called a like vector. Like that AB is a vector, CD is a vector, their length is equal and direction is the same. That the vector B to A and D to C direction is same and their magnitude are also same is called the equal vector. Either the parallel vector. Two vectors are said to be a parallel vector when their direction is same, but they have like or unlike both, and the magnitude are also equal or not equal. So the like and unlike vector are said to be a parallel vector. Like that AB and CD are the vector A and vector B are the parallel vector. They have a same direction, either they have opposite direction, they are said to be a parallel vector. Okay, so the parallel vector can be write as vector A is equals to T into B vector. Is an important result. If A and B are the two parallel vectors, so we can write vector A is equals to T into B vector, whereas T is equals to any constant. Important is that negative vector. Negative vector is a vector